Welcome back to the Good Vibes Gemini YouTube channel. Today, we'll be discussing a home remedy for coughs. Before we get into today's video, allow me to put this disclaimer out there that this is not at all medical advice of any kind. If you're suffering from any ailment and you have a medical doctor, talk to them, see them. If you want to do a natural thing and you're kind of curious, you can ask them, if you're able to handle these kinds of ingredients, because anyone out there who has a sensitivity to honey or a sensitivity to garlic, of course, I would not encourage you to try this. I wouldn't want anyone out there to put themselves in harm's way. With all that being said, let's dive in. So, how in the world do you make homemade cough medicine? Well, I'm going to show you, and it's not hard at all. Get you some fresh garlic or honey. If you have this at home, this works too. Okay? Get you some fresh garlic. Get a little teaspoon. And I like garlic, so I'm going to use a whole teaspoon, but you can use half if you want. And I'm mixing it in this cup just for the sake of the video. So you're going to use a half a teaspoon of garlic. And I'm going to mix up a whole teaspoon of honey in the garlic. This is raw honey, so it's coming out extra thick. Okay. And then one more thing. You want to add a lemon. What I'm doing right here, doing this is kind of getting the juices moving around in there. Cut the lemon in half. Seeds out, and you squeeze the lemon. Squeeze that lemon juice in there. If a seed pops out in there, that's okay. It's no big deal. It's not the end of the world. Okay, you can fish out them seeds like so. There's one, and there's two. Bam. And you put it all in there. You stir it up. Give it a nice stir. Yes, it's gonna be strong because there's another one I see. Yes, it's gonna be strong because it's garlic in it and lemon. But that's what you want. That's what you want. Give it a good stir. And some people will pour this in a cup of warm water. And then you have people like myself who are bold. We'll just spoon it in my mouth. Oh my God, it's so good. There. cough syrup. Done. Why is it good for you? Well, lemon is naturally antibacterial, antifungal, so it gets rid of the bad stuff. And it actually cleans out your respiratory system really good, opens it up really good. The honey, we all know the benefits of having honey, especially locally sourced honey. Really good for your respiratory system, but more than that, all the little pathways in your respiratory system, all those mucous membranes and stuff get moisturized and, you know, coated really good. Your throat gets coated really good. It soothes inflammation. Honey is really good for that. And honestly, honey is also antibacterial. Same thing for the garlic. Antibacterial, antimicrobial, antifungal. It's really good for the body. So if you are in a crunch and you want to, even if you're not in a crunch, this doesn't have anything to do with not having any money. You can have as much money as you want, but if you want to go for natural living, natural homemade cough syrup is what you need to do. Now, there are plenty of people, and I've seen some really good videos about homemade cough syrup and stuff like that, but for me, a lot of that stuff was it was just too complicated. Get to the point. That's the kind of person I am, really direct and straight to the point. That simple cough syrup recipe I just gave you, straight to the point. And when you take it, you're gonna feel it work, straight to the point. So I hope you've enjoyed the video today, and go out, get you some lemon, get you some garlic, get you some honey, get you something to mix it in, and start spooning your way to health. I send love and light to all those who send it to me. I send it right back to you, ×3. You've been hanging with the Good Vibes Gemini. I'll see you next time.